Hi guys, this is me, your Queen Stacy, and for today's vlog, I'm going to content to get ready with me with a twist, okay? So as you can see, I have here my sports bag and makeup tools. Because I'm going to play in Dalampang later, where we have a volleyball play. So, since I'm a vlogger, I think that, I need to give you some, knowledge about volleyball while I am preparing, okay, later. So, I'm going to retouch myself while I am giving you knowledge, okay? You like it? Oh, I like it too. Let's start! So, volleyball was first invented by William G. Morgan in 1985. So, it is called Mintonet. Yeah. The first name of volleyball is Mintonet. So, to give you some knowledge, volleyball is a team sports. Yeah, it is team sports where you need 15 players. 15 players, but in the game, in the actual game, you need 6 players. It is called first 6. Yeah.
Charan! Okay, so in volleyball you have 3 touches. Yeah, you have 3 touches, and you need to cross the ball in 3 touch in the 3 touch in the third touch. Okay, because if you cross the ball in the fourth touch, it is a fault or a violation. Yeah. So the basic equipments in volleyball, or the basic things, is we need first the ball. Yeah, we need to a volleyball ball, and also volleyball ball, and also a volleyball net. Yeah. So volleyball has fundamental skills or basic skills. The first one is the serving. The serving is the most crucial part in volleyball, because serving is the first move that you can do in volleyball. So if you over the ball, you have a chance to score. But if you did not cross the ball in the opponent's court, you don't have a chance to score a point, because you already make a fault, right? The second one is the receiving or receive. Receive is it's a defensive play where you need to get the ball through the setter. We have what we call reception and digging. When we talk about reception, you are getting the ball after the serve. But when we are talking about the digging, you get the ball after the opponent's spike. Yeah, that is the differences in digging and reception. And also another basics in volleyball is setting. Setting is a act where you will give the ball in the spiker so that he will spike the ball perfectly and get a point. Right? It's right. Charot. I'm almost done. Okay. The next one is the spiking. Yeah, I really love spiking because way back 2020, I am a spiker. And also in my first debut in UMIT, I'm also an opposite spiker. But last year, I was converted in to setter. Because, we don't have a setter, and I am the only one who is capable in setting. So that's why now I am a setter. It's really hard to be a setter, guys, okay? But it's really hard to be spiker because you need to score a point. Because you are the one who is in charge in spiking, in attacking. Yeah. The spiker is the one who make a offensive play to score a point. Yeah. Another one is blocking. Yeah. Actually, the blocking is usually Blocking is usually played or performed by the middle blocker, because they are the one who is in charge in it. From the word itself, middle blocker, so they are the one who need to block the opponent's spike. Yeah, that is block. Actually, it is a pleasure when you block a player, especially when the player is very famous, very powerful. Yeah, it is very a pleasure in my heart when I block them, because sorry, I stop your spike, I block you like that, right? Then another one is the another one after the blocking is the the equipments in volleyball. Oh, so I have here my spikes bag, guys. Look at it. This is a customized. As you can see, I have my name here, and it is from Cabanatuan City, Capsia. Because guys, my younger brother is a player in Cabanatuan. So he is one of the representative in Clara at 20, and he played volleyball. Okay. Yeah, I play volleyball too. As you can see, I have here my keychain, which is volleyball, because I really love volleyball. Okay. So what is the volleyball we need when we are playing volleyball? So I have here a volleyball shorts. Yeah. So in playing volleyball, you need to consider your shorts also because if your shorts are not comfortable, you can't move. You can move. Yeah? Right. Another one is this me. I have here my volleyball jersey. So this is from co-ed, yeah. Kasi now I'm a player in college of education. So this is the proper shape in playing volleyball. Another one is knee pads. So it is a protection in your knees, yeah. So that it can prevent injury. I also have here my arm sleeve to prevent dirt in my arms, you know. The ball, because you know guys, if you're a volleyball player, many ball is very dirt and also what you call it? Bad smell, yeah. I don't like their odor. So that's why I have here my arm sleeve. I also have a volleyball socks. So it is sponsored by Gatorade, yeah. Volleyball socks. Actually, when I am playing, I usually use white volleyball socks, yeah. I don't like black socks because, you know, we have, what you call it? We have a saying that, when you are playing volleyball, you need to wear white socks, yeah. I have a volleyball shoes. So these are volleyball shoes. Is it good? Yeah. I really love these shoes because it is so, you know, spiky. Now let me do the eyeshadow.
See you there on court, guys. Bye. So, bye-bye, guys. Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're